Okay, in this video, we're going to go over the work on it activity on page 124 and 125. So on this, make sure that you have filled out your chart properly on this. So I'll just quickly go over the procedures. Number one, copy the guide into your notebook. 2, in a group or individually, complete the response column of the guide. 3, working independently, use the completed troubleshooting guide to determine what is wrong in the 7 problem situations. Write down your solution for each problem. Excuse me. Problem 1, why won't this flashlight turn on? So if you look very carefully at the flashlight, at the batteries, the poles are in the wrong position. So in those batteries, it has the 2 positive ends pointing towards each other. Now, for a circuit to properly work, you have to have a positive connected to a negative on another battery. And that would be troubleshooting step 1. Problem 2, why won't the motors turn on in the circuit? Okay, so if you take a look at the diagram, the switch is open on that diagram, so the motors will not work unless that switch is closed. So that would be troubleshooting step number 2. Problem number 3, why won't the doorbell ring? On that one, the switch is not connected properly, so that would be troubleshooting step number 3. Problem number 4, why won't the bulbs light up? The wire is not connected to the battery, so that'd be troubleshooting step number 1. Problem 5, why won't one of the speakers play music? So if you look at the speaker on the left, the one cable is not connected correctly. So that would that wouldn't allow the circuit to be complete. So that would be troubleshooting step number 5. Problem number 6, why won't one of the lights go on? If you take a look at that closely, the wires are connected incorrectly on the 3rd bulb. So that would be trouble step number 5. And number 7, if you look carefully at the hairdryer, and if you're familiar with hair dryers, you can tell that the switch is in the off position. So that'd be troubleshooting step number 2.